If I showed you this entire video without any context, you'd probably think it was made by a professional motion designer. But here's the crazy part. This is actually an AI motion graphics video. All of this was created entirely with Fotor Video Agent. So today, let's give it a try. The first step in this AI animation workflow is giving the AI enough information. Inside Fotor Video Agent, I simply describe my topic, target audience, and the visual style I want. After entering my idea, Fotor Video Agent starts analyzing the requirements and understanding what kind of video I want to create. This is the first step of the AI animation workflow, where the AI turns a simple description into a structured production plan. We can also make changes to the table, but everything looks good in my version, so I'll just click Confirm. Next, you'll be asked to choose a voice for the narration. There are plenty of options to choose from, and I am going with Peter. Once the audio is generated, you can adjust its duration for the video. The timing works for me, so I'll move on to the next step. It'll then automatically be added to the timeline below. Next, Fotor Video Agent will generate the video script for us. If anything needs changing, we can edit the tables directly. Everything looks good to me, so I'll move on to the next step. Then it starts generating the video. The generated videos are automatically arranged to match the audio, so there's no need to drag and align them manually. And this is the first version of the video generated by Fotor Video Agent. Our original idea has now been turned into a complete motion graphics video.
Every complex task starts with a single request. The agent understands exactly what you need. Then it plans the work, step by step. It picks the right tools. Searching, coding, automating. It performs each action, checking as it goes, and delivers the finished result, solved end-to-end.
One of the biggest advantages of this workflow is that the generated video is still fully editable. In this AI motion graphics tutorial, you can see that I can change the title, update the text, and adjust the information directly without having to recreate the entire animation. Try creating your own AI motion graphics videos with Fotor Video Agent. Click the link below to unleash your creativity.